Back in that driveway, about to back into a ditch. But not a ditch. Just a hole where the water drains. Got to run up to their post office. And we will see. Well, I got to do one thing when I get back. Well, not today. Tomorrow, probably. Get that lawnmower. Oh. My wife's sweet angel always tell me, she said, Mike, you got to stop joking so much. And I admit, I joke a lot. A fella, a good friend of mine, he really got angry at me. He said, Mike, he said, I lost my brother 2 days ago. I said, really? I said, did you go back where y'all had been? You might find him if you go back. And he really got hot. You're always playing. He really talked about me. And he, I really deserved it because I shouldn't have said it. But it kind of slipped out, It wasn't like I was picking at him. I apologize, Really apologize. I had to really kind of get out of the way for a minute there. But anyway, that's the way it is. His heart in Memphis today. Again. So it should get about 101 degrees, maybe 102. Well, I gotta tell people all the time, they'll complain about the heat, then they complain about the cold, then they complain because the wind's blowing. They just complain. I tell them all the time, I just want to be a witness. Tomorrow I can say, hey, look, man, you know what? I want to be a witness. Just let me be a witness so I can tell you what happened yesterday. Sweet is doing a show in Greenville, Mississippi, Saturday, September 21st. So, hoping it does not rain. It's a 20%, but 9 times out of 10, it won't rain. And if it does, it'll cool things off for a minute, and then we get hot again. I mean, really hot. Like on Elvis Graceland Boulevard, I pretty much drive on this street every day into the construction area. Because they'll get through with this one day. One day soon. You like me, shit. Coming out. People say you're supposed to slow down, and you do, you should. For people to walk in, when you get to a light, you know, get ready to turn, cars have the signal light on, and you assume that they're going to turn, and they don't. Yeah, like I was saying, when you're driving and you think a car is turning because the signal light is working, and you run out in the street and get run over, you have to make sure that the car is close to you before you pull out, and make sure that the car has turned turning because sometimes you will be sorry. As Mom Mabel said, you have to watch the cars, not the light, because the light has never killed anyone. So watch the car. That's what's gonna get you. Had to go up to the post office, hit right off of Elvis Graceland here. On Elvis Graceland Boulevard. can turn my camera. But not this time, the next time. I will be prepared. Because I was going to show you where Elvis. Oh, the light got me, so I got time to turn my camera. It's to the left. Let's see, is it gonna reach over there? You might see the brick wall or something. But that's beautiful up there. You know, it's still got the old original house. A lot of most stuff, you know, they have built. And they also have the body, his grave up there. You know, because they had moved. They put him in a regular cemetery back in the 70s, you know, Ramsey passed in the early 80s. Someone tried to steal his body from the cemetery. So they had to move it up there so they have guards and cameras and stuff. You know, and that was a good thing. Steal a man's body. What you gonna do with a dead body? I don't care who he is. Could be your mama, your daddy. What are you gonna do with a dead body? Make yourself have a fucking situation up in there. So my camera still turned. We just gonna let you see what's going on here in Memphis, Tennessee. I know hot book, but should not be jaywalking. He was walking like a little bird too. A traded bird. Jack Pearl's Chicken. My grandchildren come from Oklahoma visiting, which they'll be here in a couple of weeks. They coming to my birthday cookout in my yard on the 28th of September. My birthday is the 25th, so they'll be here to help me celebrate 75 years. And I said, thank you, Lord, for that. I'll stop here at Kroger. Now I'm going to go to Walmart. But Kroger's, you know, just too damn high. Popeye still got that chicken sandwich and food lining up to buy it. But there, money. Do what you want to do. Like the Isaac brother said a long time ago, it's your thing. Do what you want to do. Hey, listen. Suit You. I bought a suit from Suit You about 2 years ago. And for my birthday, really, it was in September. August or September. I bought it for my birthday party in September. We had it down at Club Paradise here in Memphis. Beautiful place. If you ever come to Memphis, go to Club Paradise. It's a nice place. A friend of mine owned the place down there. But anyway, back to Suit You. I had to do some alteration because I had to buy a couple of sizes too big, the pants. And they altered the pants, but they were still too big. So I couldn't wear them to my party. So the next couple of days, I took them back. Told them they need to be altered, a little more. And the manager in there told me, hey, we all the ones. We all the one. You got to pay for it to do it again. I told him, I've already paid. You just didn't do it right. Well, she not here no more, the one that did that. Well, you have to pay. I said, okay. I said, but I was going to ask my band, Sweet Angel Band, to start shopping here. Because they be buying different uniforms and stuff. Behind that, you can't order my pants. I'm going to tell them to go somewhere else. Well, we like, oh, you been, but you got to pay them. I said, man, put it where the good Lord split you. I'm out of here. And now, I'm getting ready to go into the store. I'll be back.